Security. No.
Okay, sir. Come in. What's happening? SHOT Show 2023 in the EAA booth. Having a little fun on a Thursday. We have the CloverTac charms here. We've got the very special EAA CloverTac edition stickers. Going to be checking out the new Witness 2311. So let's go. What's up, crew? It's Chris with CloverTac. Welcome back to the channel. Let's not waste any time. Got our buddy Chase over here in the video. Come on, bro.
What's up? What's up, man? How's it going?
What's happening, brother?
What's up?
So, a lot of people don't know, it's kind of a solemn SHOT Show this year. We our good buddy Paul, unfortunately, in case you don't know out there, our good buddy Paul, he rushed the stage at a Siegfried and Roy show and was mauled by a tiger over the weekend.
He was. It was terrible.
Hospital. He's a big fan of Siegfried and
Roy. He was, and he was
there.
dressed up like a Liberace impersonator again. That's the worst part about it. All the shininess, Tiger just couldn't resist.
Yeah, I mean, they go crazy for that kind of thing.
It was bad.
Speaking of crazy, we've got something crazy here, don't we?
We do have something crazy right here.
We've got
absolutely
some double stack 1911s in the master caliber, the 10 millimeter, the inferior 9 millimeter as well, I hear. But yeah, awesome. So 9 millimeter, 45, 10 millimeter.
Correct.
All double stack.
All double stack.
And what's special about them?
So you've got our first entry into the 1911 double stack world. That is our Witness 2311. So this is going to be the first variant that the public's going to see right here in my hand. So this is our finished production, ready to go gun. These will start shipping to the consumers April NRA time frame. We've got 9 millimeter, 17 round, double stack 1911, adjustable sight models. We're going to have an officer model with a RMSC cut. We're going to do our basically optics across the board. We'll have standard sights across the board, 940, 45. Basically all your 1911, 2011 parts interchange with these. It's the same compatible magazine as most of your standard 2011s. So your 17 round, 9 mils will be your standard thing. So if you have some MBX or some Staccato or some STI mags, whatever laying around, all interchanges with it.
Very nice. And, you know, I got to shoot the CloverTac model, which is the superior model, by the way, at the SHOT Show range day. And you know what? That poly lower, the recoil is actually lighter, I think, than the Hunter model.
100% it is. And from shooting them side by side, nobody would believe a polymer 10 mil is as light recoiling as this gun is.
Yeah,
but it absolutely is. Plus, it's a 15 round capacity 10 mil. This is the ultimate pig murdering machine.
Oh, shoot him in the face all day long.
Absolutely. If you live out west, you need bear medicine, I got you covered.
Yeah.
100%. The most affordable double stack 1911 on the market, and you know it's already a quality firearm.
Yeah, you know, Gerson, been cranking out some quality stuff for quite some time. Am not surprised that, you know, we've got the 2311 here, and it is just as cool. So,
absolutely it is.
Chase, thanks for
appreciate it, man.
Have a good SHOT Show. Appreciate
it.
Security, if you would.
Security,
get him out of here.
Security. No.
And so from SHOT Show, just want to say thanks for checking this out in the EAA booth, the Witness 2311. We're done here. As always, don't forget to change fire freedom.